Geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 50 play a crucial role in the construction and development of any infrastructure project. In Noida Sector 50, where rapid urbanization and infrastructure development are taking place, geotechnical investigation services are in high demand. One of the key aspects of geotechnical investigation services is soil testing. This involves collecting samples of soil from different depths and analyzing them in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The results of these tests help engineers and designers in selecting appropriate foundation types, determining bearing capacities, and designing earthworks. Another important aspect is the assessment of ground conditions and potential risks. This involves studying the geological and hydrological characteristics of the site, identifying any potential hazards such as landslides or liquefaction, and proposing mitigation measures. By understanding the ground conditions, engineers can design structures that are resilient to earthquakes, floods, or other natural disasters. SCON design is an integral part of geotechnical investigation services. It stands for Slope Stability Analysis and Design, which involves evaluating the stability of slopes or embankments and designing appropriate slope protection measures. In Noida Sector 50, where there is a significant amount of earthwork involved in infrastructure projects, SCON design is essential to ensure the safety and stability of slopes. Geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 50 are carried out by experienced geotechnical engineers and geologists who have expertise in site characterization, laboratory testing, and analysis techniques. They use state-of-the-art equipment and software to collect data, perform analysis, and generate reports and recommendations for the project stakeholders. Every infrastructure project needs geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 50 to be built and developed. Geotechnical investigation services are in high demand in Noida Sector 50, where infrastructure development and urbanization are occurring at a rapid pace. Soil testing is one of the most important components of geotechnical investigation services. This entails gathering soil samples from various depths and examining them in a lab to ascertain their mechanical and physical characteristics. The outcomes of these tests aid engineers and designers in making decisions on the best sorts of foundations, calculating bearing capacity, and creating earthworks. The evaluation of the ground's conditions and potential threats is another crucial factor. This entails investigating the site's geological and hydrological features, identifying any potential dangers like landslides or liquefaction, and suggesting mitigating strategies. Engineers can create buildings that are resistant to earthquakes, floods, and other natural disasters by studying the ground conditions. The geotechnical investigation services include SCON design as a core component. Its name refers to the process of analyzing the stability of slopes or embankments and creating